The first thing to do is make sure that you have all of the parts you'll need to put the chair together. Usually that will consist of a seat, 2 arm and leg assemblies, a backrest, and the hardware. Best if you start with putting the seat on its side and installing one of the leg arm assemblies. Simply use the hardware required and tighten up just enough to hold it together so that it's a little bit loose, and then repeat the same on the other side. Take the whole assembly and put the chair on its feet, and then move the backrest into place and attach the base plate and under the arms. To remove the labels that are stuck on the teak parts, simply use a putty knife and they slide right off. Yay, you're done. Enjoy.